Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the franchise owner in East Lothian for Fresh Car Valeting. I didn't ever think it would be something that I would be able to do, but now that I've done it, it's probably the best thing I ever did. Being your own boss, having your own flexibility, your own freedom to do what you like, and you've sort of got control over your life. Starting the franchise was actually quite an easy process. Getting me set up to do my training, set up with vans, with accountants, with the office, my diaries, things like that. They set up absolutely everything for you. Your days fly by, you're out being your own boss, you're enjoying your day, sort of meeting new customers, having a chat with them when you're out. Before this, a couple of years ago, I was a bus driver for nearly 10 years. And then I sort of bounced around a couple of different part-time jobs, working from home, being stuck in the house all day. That's the big advantage of doing this. You're out and about, you're interacting with people and having a good blether with them, having a bit of a chat and a bit of a laugh and being approachable, being friendly. It makes a difference and it makes them remember you. Last job, this is us. Nice full valet to finish the day, so a wee bit extra than what we did before. Should be alright. Hopefully not too bad. It's quite dirty, so it'll be fun. At the end of the day, that's you. Head home, you've then got to sort your van at night, get your kit reloaded for the next day, chill out, and that's you ready to go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward if I'm honest. Work-life balance has improved massively. Because it's your business, you're in charge of your hours. I've changed mine to suit more that I have my weekends back to spend with my wife and my kids, which is obviously massively beneficial to me.